This used to be such a glamorous place. Dietrich, Josephine Baker, all the top stars played here. My God, Paloma. She's still doing it.
Is she famous?
She's infamous. She used to be a Dadaist performance artiste, and now she does a opera with a scarf thing.
Do you know her?
I was married to her.
Congratulations.
Until she tired of me wearing her clothes and found me in bed with her driver.
But I thought you were...